because I had no other risk factors. I've never smoked. I didn't have any other environmental exposures that would cause me to have a lung cancer diagnosis. And that's when they said, have you heard of radon?
I mean, I hiked and I biked and I lived a healthy life. So for it to be lung cancer, I was pretty shocked, actually.
My stepfather, he was diagnosed with stage 4 lung cancer. He had grown up in the same home and he was diagnosed, and then now 5 years later I was diagnosed. And so we had to kind of ask ourselves, what might be the common denominator here? And it was, in this case, the home.
I had to get my house tested and found out that my house was over twice the limits for a healthy house.
Radon is a radioactive, colorless, odorless, tasteless gas that comes from the breakdown of uranium in our soil.
Takes the easiest path of travel and it goes into the home. So now it gets into the home through cracks in the foundation, through sump pits, any openings that foundation has an entryway.
The radon gas enters our lungs and it damages our DNA structure. And it's through that DNA structure damage that can cause lung cancer.
You can buy a radon test online from Home Radon Test. As far as deploying it, you set it up in the lowest level of your home where you spend at least 4 hours a day.
There is a proper time to test your home for radon gas. That is during the heating season. If somebody finds out that their radon level is high, what I do is I go through various options to reduce the radon levels. We can get a reduction between 80 and 90%.
We come to their home and we install a radon mitigation system to get them as low as possible. There's different ways that we can install systems to get those levels below acceptable risk limits, and it requires a pipe and a fan. We have to seal it. We try to depressurize that radon gas, get it out to atmosphere before it comes in the first place.
The value the homeowner would get from hiring a certified mitigator is we just bring the experience. We see hundreds of these houses a year. And again, when we walk out, we just know that the house has been fixed. There's no guesswork with it.
LungSask has a program in place called Caring Breaths in order to help with some of those costs. After we mitigate a home, it gives the customers peace of mind, and in turn, it makes us feel good about ourselves as mitigation professionals.
Saskatchewan has some of the highest radon concentrations in the world.
We're seeing 1 in 3 homes testing high for radon gas.
Testing is important because everybody should at least know what their exposure to radon is.
At the end of the day, it comes down to saving lives.